I've had a lot of people message me asking, how do you do the perfect steak if you don't have a barbecue? Well, today I'm going to show you how to cook these top sirloin steaks perfectly using the oven and your Hexclad pan. Season up your steaks with your favorite seasoning. I use Worcestershire sauce and a simple SPG on these.
Preheat your oven to 300 degrees and make sure you use a good meat thermometer to monitor your temps.
We're going to 110 degrees. Time to put it in the oven. We're going center rack on this. Should take around 20 minutes. Add some avocado oil. Okay, our steaks are done. We're gonna take them out. They'll look a little pale, but don't worry about that because these are gonna be absolutely scintillating. We're gonna rest our steaks right here as we heat up our pan. Now we're gonna set our heat up just about beyond the medium high point. When the pan starts smoking, you know we're done and we're over 500 degrees. We're gonna cook the steak for 2 minutes per side. Look at that, fantastic sear. And start basting it up. Let's see how we did. Absolutely perfect medium rare. And this is how you cook a perfectly done medium rare top sirloin steak using your oven and your Hexclad pan. As my friend Chef Gason in New Orleans says, it's too easy. Smoke on, baby!